1 point I can ogi government of India ga government of Manipur gi yam sinceroi da porama honorable chief minister na si hai article 355 se masi state ta enforce to we ngasi hai ko aduna the akoina hange akoida clarity leita ba pose article 355 se masi enforce to we ngasi honorable chief minister na hairak pase is very unfortunate ngahankai ekoi masi the government is sincere with the state government to central government to sincere with the se ngasi khali it is confirmed today aduna masi external aggression amadi internal disturbance se masi article 355 ne cover to hai संविधान की 355 से enforce to hai ऐसे हम clearly है लिंगी the minister ahum awangbo govindas adagi basanta kumar adagi MLA da Abdul Nasir adagi MLA Santi thank you